one who goes to a place to see it, or someone. Visitor. Person moving to another country to live there. Immigrant. Groups of things that are similar in some way. Category. Illness that affects a person, animal, or plant. Disease. The quality of being physically or visually attractive. Beauty. Physical money, not credit card or digital. Cash. Concerning soldiers or the armed forces. Military. To ask for money as a price for a service or goods. Charge. Use your hands to stop and hold something flying. Catch. Number 3. 3. To use physical strength or violence to persuade. Force. To reduce the size, amount or number of something. Decrease. Someone who is legally owned by another person. Slave. Accidental way things happen, often good things. Luck. To close something. Shut. In a way that is important or noticeable. Significantly. Edible tuber vegetable. Potato. Little, not very. Somewhat. Being of a different place or country. Foreign. To rely on for support, financial or emotional. Depend on. To control exactly how something will be or act. Determine. Very high piece of land, higher than a hill. Mountain. Fact that can observed and studied. Phenomenon. Act of implementing, providing a practical means for accomplishing something, carrying into effect. Implementation. Activity done to entertain an audience. Performance. To break something into pieces or divide something. Split. Saying something is wrong and should be changed. Complaint. Used to show that a thing or person is against another thing or person. Versus. In this place, at this location, position or time. Here. Event or a set of events, often unpleasant ones. Affair. To eat, drink, buy or use up something. Consume. To make minor change to something. Modify. In large part, mainly or chiefly. Largely. Area of a country, city, or town. District. Meeting or series of meetings of a body, such as a court or legislature. Session. Short written work that displays someone's opinions or beliefs regarding a particular subject. Essay. Wood/metal structure enclosing an area/land. Fence. Act of making something. Creation. Thick thread, thin rope. String. Quality or state of not being easily moved or changed. Stability. Concerning a city, located in a city. Urban. At that time, not now. Then. To go to a place that is far away. Travel. Going from a higher position to a lower position. Down. To take and later return something from another. Borrow. Concerning the body of a person. Physical. Thing that prevents you moving or acting, restriction. Constraint. System of government. Federal. Being of extreme importance for the success of something. Vital. Not high, being near the ground, or bottom. Low. Including many things, very large. Grand. To travel through the air using wings. Fly. Not so large in size, not important or valuable. Minor. Part of the body that tastes food, it is pink or red and is inside the mouth. Tongue. Concerning the country as opposed to the city. Rural. To produce baby animals of specific kinds. Breed. To make visible, without covering or protection. Expose. A brown drink made from roasted beans and boiled water. Coffee. Area of darkness when something blocks the light. Shade. Wide view of a landscape, etc. Prospect. To make sure that something happens. Assure. To tell someone you are grateful to them. Thank. To be alive. Live. Crossed rope/fibers with partly open pattern. Net. Occurring in a slow manner over a period of time. Gradually. To say that you will not accept something. Refuse. With great speed. Rapidly. In addition, to, in a similar way. Also. Most important, chief importance in value. Prime. Process of choosing someone by voting. Election. Connected with the past. Historical. Images, color, or information behind the main one. Background. Treating all people the same way. Fair. To discover something by looking for it. Find. Having to do with trade, industry, and money. Economic. Internet's collection of interrelated information. Web. Person who sings, often as a profession. Singer. People who are in control of a business or group. Management. Used to show which people or things we are talking about. Those. Over or across an entire thing or place, or in every part of something. Throughout. Person who loves someone or is loved by someone. Lover. Human beings in general, plural of person. People. Concerning society in general. Public. In a well-defined or clear manner, in particular. Specifically. Something that joins things together, being joined. Connection. To give money for goods or work done. Pay. To form an opinion after careful consideration. Judge. To cause someone to feel uncomfortable about something. Embarrass. To get people to come and work, join or study with you. Recruit. Large bowl in a kitchen or washroom for washing things. Sink. To bring something close to another, to become one. Join. What the chances are that something will happen. Probability. Near, with. By. To join or attach things together. Connect. Order in which things should happen. Sequence. Group of countries controlled by one government. Empire. Further or added. Additional. Completely, totally. All. Positive opinion of something or someone. Approval. Air you take in and out of your body. Breath. To be happy because you met your expectation. Satisfy. Being the last thing in a series. Final. To weigh down with a load, impose a task upon. Burden. The act of flying. Flight. Widely known, recognized by many people. Famous. To allow something to happen, to give permission. Permit. Standard used to make judgments or decisions. Criterion. Most important, most often used. Main. On this day, at the time that is happening now. Today. Legal dissolution or breakup of a marriage. Divorce. Medical condition in which a person's sadness stops him/her from living his/her life normally. Depression. Area of land that is surrounded by water. Island. To pay money for the use of something. Rent. Therefore, so, as a result. Thus. To take something to a person or place. Deliver. Fear about what might happen, worry. Anxiety. On or to the farther side, in addition to. Beyond. Surprise caused by experiencing something amazing. Wonder. To push something against something else. Press. Contest between either people, animals or vehicles, to determine which is the fastest. Race. Small town in the country. Village. Very. Really. To take something away from someone. Strip. Area inside the entrance of a house. Hall. When someone or something gets to at a place. Arrival. Act of traveling from one place to another, trip. Journey. Unpleasant feeling caused by being aware of danger. Fear. Food that grows on a tree or bush. Fruit. Starting at a particular place, time or level. From. Offer or plan to people who can decide about it. Proposal. Section of writing that usually deals with one subject. Paragraph. Having a very low temperature. Cold. Useful, not just for decoration. Functional. What or which person or people, to ask about, talking about. Who. The second or last mentioned thing. Ladder. An airplane. Plane. To hit something. Strike. List of items that are available for purchase, usually in the form of a book. Catalog. Overwhelming feeling of fear and anxiety. Panic. Building in which a family, person lives. House. To judge something's value or suitability. Assess. To take pleasure in something. Enjoy. Action taken to force a country to obey laws. Sanction. To stop something for a period of time, to interrupt. Suspend. Being none, not having or being. No. Modal verb used to indicate possibility, request etc. Would. Something popular or famous for a long time. Classic. To employ a person to do a particular job or borrow something. Hire. Something which shows that something else is true. Proof. Workplace for the conduct of scientific research. Laboratory.